Panasonic.
Panasonic air conditioners feature innovative technologies that work together to give you better energy savings. ECONAVI Inverter adapt to your lifestyle and optimize operation to keep your living spaces cool. Together, we can achieve this by combining the best of our abilities, saving energy while giving you constant cooling comfort. ECONAVI features two intelligent eco-sensors, human activity sensor and sunlight sensor, which automatically sense the conditions in the environment. Then, ECONAVI's eco-sensors send data to inverter, which can vary compressor rotation speed, thus reducing wasteful cooling. Together, these innovations work as one, giving you up to 65% energy savings, which is enough to power other household appliances. ECONAVI automatically senses conditions in your environment and optimizes operation, giving you cooling comfort while saving energy. With a touch of a button, ECONAVI activates 5 energy-saving features. Area search directs airflow to wherever you are in the room so that you're always comfortable. When detecting any change in movements, there will be a time delay between the LED indicator lighting up and a change of airflow direction. This is to avoid oversensitive louver movements, which will not contribute to energy savings. With sunlight detection, cooling power changes according to sunlight intensity. Before you get too cold, temperature wave intelligently adjusts so you are comfortable. It detects human presence and low activity levels, then adapts a rhythmic temperature control for further energy savings without sacrificing comfort. Activity detection detects changes in human activity levels and adjusts cooling power accordingly. When you leave the room, energy will be wasted if cooling power remains unchanged. With absence detection, cooling power is reduced when you aren't around, in turn saving energy. Inverter is designed to give you energy-saving performance while ensuring you stay comfortable at all times. At the startup of an air conditioner's operation, powerful cooling is required to reach the set temperature. After the set temperature is reached, less cooling power is required to maintain it. A conventional non-inverter model can only operate at a constant speed, which is too powerful to maintain the set temperature. Thus, it switches the compressor on and off repeatedly. This results in wider temperature fluctuations, leading to wasteful consumption of energy. The Panasonic Inverter air conditioner varies the rotation speed of the compressor. This provides a highly precise method of maintaining the set temperature. With wide temperature range and precise temperature control, the air conditioner can meet different room occupancy levels, thus ensuring constant cooling comfort. For those concerned about air quality, Panasonic air conditioners feature nanoe-G, an air purification system. The air we breathe contains pollutants as small as PM 2.5. PM 2.5 stands for particulate matter, sized at 2.5 microns, that are suspended in the air. If this represents pollen and this is bacteria, this is how small PM 2.5 is. Particles as small as PM 2.5 can pose health risks to you and your family. Nano-e-G can effectively remove up to 99% of PM 2.5 and other airborne microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses, and mold. Nano-e-G ions attach to airborne microorganisms and bring them back into the filter. For adhesive microorganisms, nano-e-G ions are able to deactivate up to 99% of bacteria and viruses and inhibit mold growth that settles on surfaces around you. Nano-e-G also features in-filter deactivation, which is automatically activated once the air conditioner is switched off. The fan operation will run automatically for 30 minutes, with the louver slightly open to ensure the internal components are dry and free from condensation. Then, using natural ion wind, a unique process that distributes particles, nano-e-G particles are spread to the filter, deactivating bacteria and viruses trapped in the filter. Now, the whole family can enjoy cooler, cleaner air while living an eco-life together. Made possible with Panasonic Air Conditioners.
Panasonic.